Good afternoon, respected ma'am and my dear batchmates. Today, I, Harshita Kulvardhan, roll number 30, is present here to give my
Beta,
seminar.
speak little louder.
Okay. Good afternoon,
Come near
respect.
to the mic, huh?
Good afternoon, respected ma'am and my dear batchmates. Today, I, Harshita Kulvardhan, is present here to give my seminar on the topic prenatal screening and postnatal screening. So the topics which we will going to cover in this are the screening, types of screening, prenatal screening and its testing methods, neonatal screening and its screening process, and the differences between both the screening. So now let us see what does actually screening means. It basically refers to the process of using biochemical tests to show identify markers of diseases in individual who do not yet show symptoms. So these tests might include lipid panels, enzyme assay, hormone levels, or metabolic panels, etc. Why it does actually matters? It helps in the prevention and early intervention. That's the catching of any disease early can which can be less invasive and more cost effective for a patient care. For risk stratification, it helps identify individuals who may benefit from further evaluation, lifestyle changes, and preventive therapy. So now let us see what are the types of screening. Based on the time of testing, that is when the screening is done in relation to the disease development or
Can
the
you change
life.
the slide, beta? You're not moving the slides,
Ma'am, I'm moving.
but here on the screen it's not moving. Only you're stuck at first slide. Only first page is visible. Yes, now. Types of screening. Okay.
Now let us see what are the types of screening. Based on the time of testing, that is when the screening is done in relation to the disease development or life stage. These are prenatal screening, neonatal screening, pre-symptomatic screening, periodic or routine screening, diagnostic screening, that is post-symptom. Now let us see what does these screening actually mean. The prenatal screening is done during the pregnancy, that is before the birth of the child. The neonatal screening is done within few days after the birth. The pre-symptomatic screening is done before any symptom appears in individual which is at risk. Periodic screening is done at regular intervals throughout the life. The diagnostic screening is done after early signs or symptom appears in any individual. Now let us focus on the two main screening, that's the prenatal screening and the postnatal screening. So the prenatal screening, it basically refers to the invasive or non-invasive biochemical imaging test to assess the risk of fetal abnormalities before birth. It is performed during the pregnancy. It basically aims at
बेटा
identifying.
आपकी स्लाइड्स नहीं चेंज हो रही हैं.
Sorry ma'am, ma'am now
Okay,
it's
move ahead.
changing. Uh,
It's a prenatal screening,
yes ma'am.
right?
Yes ma'am. It
Hmm.
refers to the invasive or non-invasive biochemical imaging test to assess the risk of fetal abnormalities before birth. It is performed during pregnancy. It basically aims for identifying risk for chromosomal abnormalities, that's the like Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, neural tube defects like the spina bifida, structural abnormalities like the anencephaly. In these images, we can see in the first image that's the invasive method in which amniotic fluid is drawn within the needle under the ultrasound guidance. And in the second image, we can see the non-invasive method in which maternal serum is taken for the diagnosis of any disease. Now let us see what are the testing methods of these. So these are the non-invasive methods. That is maternal serum test that is done during the first and second trimester. These are basically for the testing of certain proteins and the hormone present in the serum, like the pregnancy associated plasma protein A, human chorionic gonadotrophin, alpha fetoprotein, UE3, inhibin A. Neutral translucency scan, it is basically the measurement of fluid filled spaces at the back of the fetal neck. Cell-free fetal DNA test, it analyzes the fragment of fetal DNA circulating in the mother's blood. The ultrasound scan. Now, the follow-up diagnostic tests. These are the tests that are invasive, like the chorionic villus sampling, amniotic amniocentesis, karyotyping. So, the chorionic villus sampling